away we go then. So Jim, who would you identify as the key man in this fixture?
This guy, Declan Rice, is a player I really rate. With him, you get exactly what it says on the box. A workhorse defensive midfielder who likes to stay in the deeper part of midfield, knowing his primary job is to make sure he shuts down any build-up play in that area.
Yeah, I'd have picked him too. No doubt the fans feel much the same way. Taken off him. Well, that's surely a foul. Free kick. Well, you might think he got off lightly. It is just a verbal warning. By the goalkeeper. Bit too much weight on the pass. Strong running down that left flank. And that has been cleared. Saka. Showing good feet. Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. And it's Pablo Sarabia, played out towards the right wing.
Oh, that's such a good run. More of that, please.
The ball is loose and the chase is on. That defending is unapologetically persistent, it's almost personal. It had to be.
Well, we're seeing a better spell of passing here, Peter, so we're getting some short, crisp passing and much more purpose behind it.
And they're keeping the ball.
Well, in some way, that qualifies as good defence too, doesn't it?
And here's Pablo Sarabia. Doherty chooses to go cross-field. Lovely feet. Zubimendi. Oh, that's a key interception. Passing is crisp and sharp. Over to the left. And now the breakaway. Oh, that's neat.
Well, that was well positioned and well pitched. They can't hurt with their backs to goal.
Tidy in possession here. Oh, good ball. Saka. Ødegaard. Doherty. And the first half is done, but it has been a half largely of could-haves and should-haves. Here we go again.
Well, that first 45 minutes didn't deliver as we'd hoped. Lots of effort, but a lack of quality with the finishing has left us hoping that someone can step up and produce something a little more magical.
And he's had it nicked away. Odegaard. And that's aimed into the middle.
Well, from experience, I can tell you he'll get a lot of stick for getting that one wrong.
There's some great running on show here, but ultimately there was no way through.
Saka never really looked sure of what he was doing, and by holding on to it for so long, he duly lost it.
Doherty making good progress on the right-hand side. Still waiting for the game to take off here, 0-0. Out towards the flank. Oh, such a clever touch. Played into the middle. Clears it away. Defending, albeit from an unexpected source.
Well, it's not a surprise to see that these days, all part of a forward's duties.
That's a good ball played into space. Ball played through for the wide man. That's been intercepted. Well, that is not the best ball. He offers an apologetic look.
Clearly is miffed, having made the run and not get picked out.
And he's there to clear it. Doherty is being harried and hassled.
Yeah, he's been a real pest on that flank, Peter, but I think life is about to get tougher.
That's tidy. And here's Pablo Sarabia. And it's Pablo Sarabia. Pressing. Now that does look a foul. Referee's given a free kick. Referee has resisted the temptation to go to his pocket. It's just a stern lecture. Climbs up big! Oh, fine stop from the keeper.
Well, someone's doing his job properly, Peter, that's for sure.
A mixture of good defending and indecisive passing. No progress. Good play on the left-hand side here. Deflected behind for a corner kick. Hoisted clear.
Don't you just love the level of intensity here? Neither is prepared to back down, and to be honest, that's how it should be. They're avoiding the blatantly obvious by not getting the ball into the opposition box. That's where it has to be.
Oh, it's a promising build-up, this. Plenty of really nice passing. Well, that's well seen too. Now, who's going to be first to this? He is through here.
You wonder if that's it now, but there may be one.
Referee looks at his watch and blows his whistle.